Welcome to the Hacking Social Media Accounts Masterclass Crash Course. So in this course actually we'll learn how the hackers is hacking our social media accounts and how they make the perfect phishing hyperlinks, and also you will learn how the hackers is bypassing the two-factor authentication protections that provided from most of the social media platforms and the other platforms as well. And at the end you will learn how the hackers is hacking our accounts without even knowing this. So for example, sometimes you will find out that your account has been compromised and you didn't have any notification or anything, because actually the hackers was impersonating you exactly. And also you will learn how the hackers is sending spoofing faking email addresses like this one, and how to trick your victims to click on this hyperlinks, and also how to send spoofing SMS messages as well. And these messages actually will be exactly like the original one that always been sending from Facebook or Google itself. And also we will learn how to bypass the Google Safe Browsing protection, like the screenshot in front of you. When anyone send you a suspicious phishing hyperlink, Google Safe Browsing protection automatically actually is protecting you from something like this. But during our training course, I will teach you as a hacker how to bypass something like this, so your victim will not never detect your phishing hyperlink, even if your victim used any other third party's protection. So at the end I will teach you how the hackers is stealing our Google accounts, our Facebook accounts, and also our Apple accounts. But at the end I will teach you how actually to detect all of these hacking scenarios and how to protect yourself from all of these hacking methods by using several helpful tools, and also how to train yourself and increase your security awareness to detect something like this automatically with your eyes. Because of course after you see and learn how to generate and making all of this hacking stuff, you will also at the end be very aware about all of these hacking methods and protect yourself from them. And also I will teach you how to identify the phishing email addresses and how to protecting yourself from giving the hacker any sensitive information or clicking in any malicious hyperlinks.